In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Meta Pixel on Typeform. To get started, first open Meta Events Manager in your browser. Once you're inside, select the pixel or dataset you want to use for tracking. From there, copy your pixel ID. This is the key piece of information Typeform needs in order to send event data back to Meta, so make sure you copy the correct ID for the account and campaign setup you're working with. Next, open Typeform and log into your account. After that, open the specific form you want to track. It's important to connect the pixel to the right form, especially if you manage multiple forms for different offers, campaigns, or lead generation workflows. Inside the form editor, click on the Connect tab. This is where Typeform lets you link outside tools and marketing platforms. In the search bar, look for Meta Pixel or Facebook Pixel, depending on how it appears in your workspace. Once you find it, click Connect to begin the integration. Now paste the pixel ID you copied from Meta into the required field. Before moving on, take a second to double check the number. A small mistake here can prevent tracking from working properly, so it's worth confirming that everything matches exactly. If you need to track users on iOS devices, you can also enable the iOS tracking option. Just keep in mind that Typeform notes this feature requires a custom subdomain. If that's part of your setup, go ahead and turn it on. If not, you can leave it disabled for now and continue. Once everything looks good, click Save. At this point, your Meta Pixel is connected to your Typeform. After saving, it's a good idea to test the setup right away. Open your published Typeform, interact with the form, and submit a test response. This helps confirm that the integration is active and that events are being sent as expected. You can also use Meta Pixel Helper to verify whether the events are firing correctly during your test. When reviewing the events, keep in mind that Typeform can send actions such as Typeform First, Interaction when someone first engages with the form, and Typeform Submit when they fully complete and submit it. Also remember that after your initial test, it may take up to 24 hours for events to appear inside Meta's interface, so don't worry if you don't see data immediately. Finally, if needed, you can create a custom conversion in Meta Events Manager using the Typeform Submit event. This is especially useful if you're running ads and want to measure completed forms as leads, signups, or registrations more accurately. And that's how to add Meta Pixel on Typeform.